Friday the 13th of 2026. In November of 2025, I began this channel and I began buying these 6 funds. I began purchasing them every day to show you that anyone, no matter what they do for a living, and no matter how much money they make, as long as they have $1 to invest daily, they can make money. I've started this Robinhood account so I can purchase these funds and show you how quickly your money and shares can accumulate if you stay disciplined and keep buying every day. Anyone can do this. And every Friday, I will show you how the funds are progressing, regardless what the stock market is doing that day. We'll continue to buy daily, no matter what. We're gonna recur buy every day in 2026 and hold for a year or two. And come January 2027, we'll see where we stand and how investing $1 per day can grow and change your life. Remember, I'm not a or your financial advisor. I'm just a regular blue-collar working bus driver who's found a system that works for him. So do your own due diligence and never listen to a random guy on YouTube. Now let's get into our video. Like and subscribe. The $1 Investor. Weekly Market Recap, 6 Fund Daily Buy Strategy. What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is your Friday Market Recap, and if you're new here, my name is the $1 Investor, and on this channel we keep investing simple, consistent, and built for the long run. Before we get into it, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's keep growing this working class investing community. Because this channel is not about getting rich quick. This is about getting wealthy slow and doing it with discipline. My strategy does not change. I'm buying $3.33 per fund daily. That's every single day the market is open, no matter what the stock market is doing. Green week, I'm buying. Red week, I'm buying. Crypto crashing, I'm buying. Market ripping, I'm buying. And I plan on doing this for the next 10, 20, even 30 years. And I'm doing it in 2 places. My Roth IRA, my individual brokerage account. Same 6 funds, same daily recurring purchase, same discipline, no excuses, because I'm not trying to time the market. I'm trying to build a future. This week's recap, how the 6 funds finished. Let's break down how they ended up at the close of the market today. 1 SCHD, shares, 7.34. Week result, plus $23.91. SCHD had a strong week, up $23.91 and looking solid. This is my dividend backbone fund. This is stability. This is long-term cash flow potential. When SCHD moves up like this, it feels good. But here's the key. Even if it didn't, I'd still be buying my $3.33 daily because I'm building shares. I'm building income potential. I'm building time in the market. 2 DGRO, shares, 2.94. Week result, plus $9.36. DGRO also had a positive week, up $9.36. Another dividend growth ETF focused on companies that consistently increase payouts. This is long-term compounding fuel. Again, I'm not chasing weekly gains. I'm stacking ownership, 1 brick at a time. 3 VT, shares, 1.46. Week result, plus $5.70 VT, finished the week up $5.70. This is my Own the World ETF, US stocks, international stocks, broad exposure. When VT is green, it usually means global markets had strength overall. And when VT dips, perfect. My $3.33 daily buy just scoops up more global ownership at a discount. That's the beauty of dollar cost averaging. 4 SPYM, shares, 2.58. Week result, minus 0.91. SPYM ended slightly red this week, down $0.91. Not dramatic, just minor pullback action. And this is where discipline matters. Because a lot of people stop buying when something turns red. But red weeks are discount weeks. And discount weeks are where long-term wealth gets built. So yes, I kept buying $3.33 daily. 5 IBIT, Bitcoin ETF. Shares, 4.28. Week result, minus $40.92. Now we're talking volatility. IBIT finished down $40.92 this week. That's a bigger move. That's crypto for you. Fast up, fast down. But here's the thing. I knew what I signed up for. Bitcoin exposure means volatility. It means swings. It means emotional tests. But my system doesn't care about emotions. My system buys $3.33 daily. When IBIT drops, I accumulate more shares cheaper. That's it. No panic, no prediction, just consistency. 6. ETHA, Ethereum ETF. Shares, 9.81. Week result, minus 56.06. ETHA had an even rougher week, down $56.06. Crypto got hit harder than the broad market this week. But this is why position sizing matters. This is why I don't go all in on one thing. And this is why I invest daily instead of lump summing into hype. Volatility is part of the process, and I'm still buying $3.33 per day. The big picture. Let's zoom out. This week, 3 funds finished green. SCHD plus $23.91. DGRO plus $9.36. VT plus $5.70. 3 funds finished red. SPYM minus $0.91. IBIT minus $40.92. ETHA minus $56.06. That's real investing. Not every fund wins every week, but the mission doesn't change. I'm building long-term wealth through consistency. Most people lose in investing, not because markets fall. They lose because they quit. They stop buying when it gets uncomfortable. But I'm not investing for this Friday. I'm investing for 2035, 2045, 2055. And the way I get there? $3.33 per fund. Every day. In my Roth IRA. In my individual account. Same 6 funds. Same recurring purchases. For the next 10, 20, 30 years. Message to the working man. I'm not a Wall Street guy. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a working man building something brick by brick. And if you're watching this thinking you don't make enough to invest, start small. $1, $5, $10 a day. Or like I'm doing. Because consistency beats intensity. Every time. If you got value from this weekly recap, like and subscribe. This is the $1 Investor. Investing for the working man, building wealth $1 at a time. We'll do this again next Friday. Same 6 funds, same strategy, no excuses. Like and subscribe. The $1 Investor.